Hey guys, this is Grace with Tori coming to you from our shop in snowy Colorado. We just wanted to take the time to walk you through one of our most recent builds that just came out of production. This conversion was based off one of our most popular 170 models, with a few customer tweaks to fit their family needs. Let's take a look inside. Typically, this layout is built for two, but by customer request, we put in a third removable seat with our custom-tailored executive captain's chair. This road-tested Touring captain's chair is easily removed when not in use to open up the living space. Now with the seat removed, let's take a tour of the inside. The first thing you'll notice is this nice settee, which opens up to provide extra storage. This customer chose to go with dual burner induction cooktop, stainless steel fridge and freezer, and walnut countertops. On this side of the split galley, we have a stainless sink with ample storage underneath. The next feature you'll notice is our fully enclosed stainless steel shower unit with a removable magnetic shower door. This shower includes a shower light, marine grade shower faucet, portable Dometic marine toilet, and a non-slip floor. Moving back, you'll see our dual platform, fully removable sleeping system. 2 adults can sleep up top and 3 kids below, and it can also be easily converted into 2 separate lower bunks. In a few easy steps, the sleeping area can be converted into a dining and entertainment area for friends and family. Out the back, we have a hot and cold rear shower or washdown. And with our exclusive Touring airliner cabinets, you have easy access to both your water system and your electrical system. A host of options allow for greater versatility to fit any of your travel needs. When not being used as a sleeping area, this lower cargo garage can be used to store your bikes and whatever other toys you might want to bring with you on the road.